Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to share your Gmail profile easily using your Android device. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Gmail app on your Android phone. If you haven't already, go ahead and open it up. Once you're in the app, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or perhaps just your initial. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll be directed to a menu. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a new screen with various options regarding your account settings. Now, navigate to the Personal Info tab. Here, you'll find all the personal details associated with your account. Scroll down a bit until you find your contact information. This section contains the email addresses linked to your profile. Once you've located your email address, just tap on it. This will give you the option to view it in a larger format. Now it's time to copy your email address. Simply highlight it and choose the option to copy. With your email address now copied, you're ready to share. You can easily paste it into any messaging app or social media platform you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Gmail profile. Remember, sharing your email is quick and straightforward when you know the steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.